Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to report account on TikTok. So if you find someone breach the TikTok policy and you want to report that account, basically you just need to open your TikTok app, as you can see on your screen. And then what you're going to do here, just tap on the profile picture. So basically you'll find that at the right side of your screen. Now, when you go to their profile, you just need to tap on the arrow icon right there at the top right-hand corner of your screen. And basically, you will find some options. And here you will find the report button, which has the flag icon at the bottom left corner. So when you tap on this report, you'll see these two options, basically if you want to report account or report content. So for example, I want to report account. And then on the next page, as you can see, you just need to select a reason: posting inappropriate content, pretending to be someone, inappropriate profile info, user could be under 13 years old, frauds and scams, counterfeits and intellectual property, and other. For example, just want to tap here, pretending to be someone, and go to me. And here, as you can see, actions that impersonate other individuals or organization in order to deceive the public. So just need to tap on submit button right here at the bottom, and the TikTok support team will review this account and will take the appropriate actions for this account. So that's all. That's how you basically report account on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to this channel.